Hello, are you starting up on Fiverr or you have more space on your Fiverr to add more gig? In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 high-paying, low-competition gig on Fiverr that people are searching for that will make you good income. If that is what you are looking for, you want to have some gig that people are really looking at for and with low competition. Fiverr is a marketplace and there are huge competition out there. So many people, they stay on Fiverr without a work in a month, some 2 months, some 3 months. Okay. So that's the general scenario on Fiverr. But if you're going to be taking this home, I'm going to share with you top 6 high paying, low competition jigs on Fiverr. That's exactly what we want to discuss with you today. If you are here for the first time, my name is Chima. I am super glad to be the anchorman for today. This is a channel that helps you to discover opportunities online as you go on for your own adventure on the internet. Okay, you are welcome. And please, I urge you to watch this video to the end so that you will discover the greatest I am talking about. Welcome to today's video. Without much ado, let us jump in on the other side. Like I said, what you are going to learn today is Web3 skills, okay? This 2022 ushered us into a new dimension on the internet, talking about the Web3, okay? We are moving away from Web2 into Web3. So there are new skills that people need to get, and a lot of people are currently looking for people that own the skill. Okay, so if you're one of them that own the skill, you have a Web3 skill, then you are going to make huge money. But for now, in 2019, we were not really talking about NFTs. In 2018, 2017, it was not about NFT. But 2022, 2021, we are talking about NFT. Okay, and NFT is making huge wave. If you really know the internet very well. Okay, so we are on this video going to be discussing top Web3 skills you need to know or you need to acquire, or already you have them, you can begin to use them to make great money. Okay, so let's start on the top 6 high paying, low competition Fiverr gig you can get started with and make huge money for yourself on Fiverr. Okay, and don't forget that in the other video I showed you how to rank your gig. So if you know these skills, with the ranking system I've just given to you, you are about to blow up on the Fiverr platform. Huge money. Please remember me. You give me a tip. Without wasting of your time, let's dive in on top number 6. Number 6, we're talking about Doodoo NFT art. Doodoo NFT art just pop up, I think, earlier this year, and it's been making round on Twitter. Twitter is the space where a lot of people are there talking about NFT. Okay, so this art is actually one of the NFTs that are selling very well in the NFT space. So as a result, a couple of people want to imitate, want to get their own kind of doodle art. Okay, so that is why this skill is very important. If you're an artist, this can interest you. You can do something like this or this kind of stuff like this. Okay, if you can do it, then this is for you. You can see doodle stuff. Okay, so if you know how to do them, look at these guys here. Okay, if you know how to do them, then you can make good money. Let's look at this guy here. This guy is making, starting at this price, this guy 30. Okay, this guy 35. This is Fiverr choice. If you're looking for something, he say he would design 1K, 5K, 10K cartoon doodle NFT collections. Are you saying that for $450? Okay, I saying that this guy is doing for 300. These are guys This guy is a top guy. He's doing it for $450, okay, to get you what you are looking for. I am telling you, these guys are reckoning, and he has done around 69 orders on this alone. 69. Imagine, just multiply 450 times 69. How much would that be? Awesome. So this is a high paying skill. If you know it, if you're an artist, you can do it, then consider creating a vibe here. And with the ranking system I've just said before, you on my channel, check it out, how to rank your gig on Fiverr. You'll be able to do this and rank your stuff and begin to be one of them that'll be here. Look at his low competition, 1,457 people are currently on this place. So what you do is to make sure you rank your gig on top here. I've shown you how to do that. You'll be able to be one of them, and they will begin to patronize you. That's why they are starting up tomorrow. Okay, so this is a hot cake for you here. Okay, that's number 6. Number 6. Let's go to number 5. Number 5 right now. We are talking of NFT boat. NFT, like I said, is a hot cake right now. That is where everybody's going. That's where what people are currently doing online. That's what is selling hot right now. People are picking up a lot of arts. People are collecting a lot of arts and buying, flipping, making good money. So this is something that is very, very important to a lot of guys out there on the internet. Okay, so creating an NFT boat, whether it's an NFT boat for Discord, anything boat, okay, in this space that will help guys to be able to know some information ahead of their competitors. You are going to be making good money from it. NFT boats are great. They are great skills that you can actually, if you know how to code boats, this is for you, okay? So, and right now, competition just about only 867 people are currently on this space. Okay, so that gives you quite opportunity to be here, and you will be seeing people that will be searching for you, and they will get in touch with you. Look at this guy is doing boats, sniper boat for 1K. Okay, he has done 5. Okay, look at this guy is doing 100, and he's doing NFT boats. Okay, look, sorry, he's doing Discord board. Okay, for that is done 2. Okay, this guy is done 8. This guy is done 12. Look at it. Look at what I'm saying. Okay, so this is, look at this guy doing 35. It's a open Discord board. Look at it. He's doing 35. This guy is doing 400, and he's done 1 mining boat, minting boat. Okay, things like this. Anything boats, any anything boating boat. Okay, on NFT space is going to be selling well, very, very well. So it's low competition, as you can see here, and high paying. There is people who are looking for this kind of stuff. Okay, so you go for it. This is number 5. Let us go to number 4. Number 4. We are talking about Solana NFT minting website. If you know how to create website, people are not just looking for website, anyhow website this time around, okay? They are looking for minting website, sites that will mint NFT. If you can be able to produce it, then there is money for you, okay? Solana is a blockchain that if you know how to connect the Solana blockchain with the minting side, awesome, you're going to be helping people, and they will mint NFT on Solana, and they will pay you great. Okay, awesome. This guy is saying he is doing, look at this guy, develop NFT minting site Solana. He has done 122 for $300. Okay, this guy has done 280 bucks. Okay, develop a unique NFT minting site. Okay, this guy is doing 60, he's done 18. Look at this guy here. Okay, look at this guy is doing 200, he's done 7. Look at this guy here also. So look at this guy is done 26, 250. Okay, so these are top guys who are ranking right now in this place. Okay, so if you know how to go about it, you must be a developer. I think you must be a developer. You must know how to code before you be able to do this on Solana. So Solana NFT minting site is a hot cake right now because it's doing NFT. Okay, if you know how to mint NFT, you have to do minting site, NFT minting site. This is where you can come and position yourself. People will pay you for the skill that you have. Okay, that is number 4. Number 3 is meme video. Meme video, we are in season of meme, okay? Talking about NFT and others, okay? A lot of people, a lot of platforms are looking for people who can do meme. They are looking for people who can create video on meme content, okay? If you can be able to do video, meme video, this gig would be selling, is selling hot cake as a matter of fact. Look at this guy has done 500 and something for $5. Look at this guy, 700 and something for $10. Look at this guy, Charles guy, he's done 39, $20. Look at this guy, he's done 16, $20. And do you know something? This video is around 1 to 3 minutes, okay? 1 to 3 minutes. If you can create, look at Donald Trump. Look at this guy. Look at this. It's awesome. This guy is done 400 and something for $10. Okay, this guy is done 9 for $60. He's going to be his meme video. Anything, if you can be able to create a video that is meme, there are a lot of bounties out there. They are looking for people who help them create their own meme. Okay, it's awesome. It's something that's what is going on right now. If you know how to do video, or you know how to come up with a meme video, you can come here, position yourself. People will come and patronize you, and they will pay you any amount you set for yourself. Remember, your price has to be within the range of what the current market price. Okay, don't have here come on. If you're just starting up, I subscribe. Maybe you do something like $10 for a start, okay, or even $5, okay, to just get attention. Now, 274 people are currently on main video. You see, this is huge opportunity for you. The guy, if you know how to do main video and you got the skill, you can make people to laugh. Okay, you can create things like this. Look at this, I like this. Okay, so if you can create things like this, awesome, you are going to be making good money here on main video niche. People are looking for this kind of thing in the space of NFT in any project. As a matter of fact, any project right now, they are looking for meme video, they are looking for memes, okay, for their marketing activities. Okay, that is where you comes in. Come here, come position yourself, and you'll be one of those that will be here and people will patronize you. So that is number 3, meme video. 274 people are currently on this space. That is low competition. If you remember the other video I did, I showed you how to rank here. If you follow that step, as simple as that, you're going to come here quickly. In 24 hours, you see yourself on top here. Okay, that is number 3. Number two, on high paying, low competition gigs on Fiverr. That is exactly what we're looking at. We've told you how these things are, okay? Look at this. Bug bounty. If you have some security skills, okay, discovering bugs, you know how to do that. Your skill is just to discover bugs. There are some bugs out there that is 25K. There are some bugs that is 20K. People are looking for people that will be able to show them bug on their application. Okay, this is a skill you can develop. If you don't know how to go about it, it is always available. It is always available. There are some that are huge. Like this guy here, he said, I will do advanced pen text on your website with report. Is taking this done 83 and this price. Okay, this guy is taking 350 for 2. He say build decks, launch this, and all that. This is what this guy has. I'm even wondering why is he ranking system of these guys. Okay, this guy is doing that. Look at this guy here. Look at the people that Fiverr has recommended. Okay, awesome. So the point is, if you know how, look at this guy. This is a security guy, cyber security guy is doing 50 for 2, and this guy is doing 15. So If you know how to do that, there are some bounty out there. You can actually begin to make something. Come here, position yourself, and you can be one of them that people will look. It's very low competition. 68 people are currently on this space, and you can be one of them. Position yourself, know what you're doing very well, and you are going to be rocking in some good cash as a security expert, bug hunting, bug bounty hunter. Okay, if you're a bug bounty hunter, this is a place for you. Okay, this is awesome. This is awesome place to come on. This is one of them. Okay, it is something that is needed in Web3. Bug bounty is something that is needed in Web3. There are some platforms that are currently looking for people that will do it for 50K, 25K, 5K, 3K, 2K, as the case may be. If you are looking for such opportunity, you can comment. I am a bug bounty. Just comment bug bounty in the comment section. Then you can be qualified. Can give you some links where you can go look out for bounties for yourself and begin to work and make good money on the internet. Okay, so comment on the comment section. Bug bounty. Okay, that is number 2. And finally, e-wallet development. E-wallet development, everything right now in the crypto space is e-wallet. Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet, just call it anything wallet, everything. We're talking about e-wallets here. E-wallet development, if you know some coding, you can be able to begin to position yourself here. Okay, awesome. Look at this guy did e-wallet. Okay, he has done 17. Is Fiverr choice done 100. This guy has not done, but this guy has not done. But look at their prices. This guy has done 2 for 200. For 200. Okay, look at these guys. I done one for 350. So, and the beauty of it, low competition, 43 people. So people are coming. People are coming on this place. Okay, position yourself. Be an e-wallet developer. Definitely, you will not lack work in the Web3 space. Okay, this is awesome. I'm even wondering whether you have time to come and position on this place as a matter of fact, because there are more jobs for you on the Web3 space. Okay, if you know how to do e-wallets. Okay, if you can do e-wallet, this is awesome. So this is number 1, is the least low competition but high paying. If you can do this, guys, you'll be ranking 2K, 3K every single month in Web3 space. Okay, that is the length of this video today. Please remember to watch the other one, how to rank your gig on Fiverr. And I bet you, with what I have shared with you so far, position yourself on these skills, you are going to be making some things. Remember to tip me when you begin to rake in some money for yourself. Okay, this is awesome. Thank you very much for watching. Please do well to subscribe if you like this kind of content, and let me hear a comment section about bounty, so that I will link you up to people who are looking for you to give you a job. Okay, awesome. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.